My name is Alan Sierra and I am an artist from Mexico. I come from a small town close to the border with the States. Right now I live in Switzerland, where I am continuing in my studies. I like to think of my practice as something that I can carry with me wherever I go. Drawing and writing on paper are at the core of what I do, but in order to get new ideas I have to keep moving. I have to read and listen. I take notes of everything I encounter. When I finally get to be alone with my thoughts, I approach image making the way one approaches a text. Like in a composition, you have an idea and then you edit, rewrite, and edit until you obtain something rare, unique, and iconic. I think that you need precision in order to do something like a line drawing. I feel it's very close to a punchline that has to land in the right moment, with the appropriate rhythm to produce laughter. I think of my drawings as short texts, like poems, jokes, or refrains, phrases with very few elements which speak about greater circumstances. I'm also really interested in printed matter and the nuances of the works surrounding literature. I'm always looking for the knowledge and sensibility that is required to proofread, translate, or edit the words of someone else. I do like to refer to my work as writing, but I prefer to be considered a reader. The site-specific installation I'm working on comprises a space designed to perform live readings of erotic queer literature. It's a club, Club Discreto I call it, that uses decorative elements, furniture and lighting more related to nightclubs than to traditional libraries. The purpose of this venue is to periodically host readings of an anthology of texts that include a selection of erotic literary works. It's sort of a cabaret. I think a big part of my work is related to seduction. Using details and subtleties, I look for a specific type of glance. To design this space, I'm inspired by the idea of a peeking eye. I think it's a way of looking that is not only useful to obtain information, it informs others of your interest without being explicit. It's a shy form of looking that aspires to reciprocity and non-verbal complicity.